This month, we're going to talk about friendships.
I cannot tell you how excited I am. I'm so excited for this series because for those people who feel like they've stumbled their whole life through friendships, maybe not enjoyed them as much, but kind of kept them around because you're supposed to have friends, or isolated yourself because you just can't fucking figure out how to have friends. Like, this is just such a lovely breakdown about what it can look like, what healthy and unhealthy looks like, so you can discern your friendships and how to move forward and also walk away from them as well.
Yes. And I like it because I went through so many decades of life not knowing that I should even assess a friendship.
Cool.
I just thought once a friend, always a friend. So first of all, yes, talk about an unhealthy false belief. I just thought that the longer you had a friend, that automatically made it a good friend because of the duration of the friendship.
Oh.
Not the quality of the friendship of either of you in it.
Right.
Or how you were functioning in it. So I just thought, if I've got friends that have been around for decades, I'm good.
Whatever around means.
Yes. And then, so first of all, just looking at that whole thought that I didn't even consider looking at friends to think, do I keep them or not? So what happened to me in the past was that I never ended the friendships. Other people ended them on me.
And then that's a whole other mind fuck of how come my friends aren't working out?
Yes, exactly. And then it gave me the complex for a little while as to, what is wrong with me? And made it about that I'm the one that was always at fault because I got dumped in the friendships.
Right.
Right?
Okay, this is a necessary series.
It is. And then once I realized, oh shit, other people are assessing friendships. They might be making new ones. This was something that blew my mind, that they might be making new ones without me, like going off in other areas and making other friends in other groups, which then also were like, okay, so can we have discussions around the fact that some people, healthy people, can have more than one group of friends and that they don't all have to be, they don't all have to know each other. So can we actually sit here and look at our friendships and go, yeah, I haven't asked myself those kinds of questions.
Sips of Sanity airs the first week of every month on patreon.com/the Sarlos.